Co.dev, a software development company based in Cebu, has received generally positive reviews for its employees across various platforms. Now, Co.dev is an AI-powered development platform designed to streamline coding and workflows and enhance your productivity. So, for example, it can create, app just from text. So let's I will just give you a prompt, clone. Okay, I will say here, make a clone app of Instagram and click on generate app. Now let's see whether it does or not. Okay, so I can just sign in with my Google. It's much more easier. I'll just go with this second ID. Click on continue. You can go also with this if you want to create a new account. If you don't want to use a Google account, it's fine. No project yet. Okay, so I just go and click on new project. Project name is clone Insta. Click on confirm. Now make a clone app of Instagram. Add user login, add database. You can just do this, but let's say I just don't want to go with proceed with user login or database. So I will just go and click on proceed. I don't want to do this. Now here, making a clone app of Instagram. So okay, they are doing the coding on its own. Now they have, okay, so it will just take a few seconds of time. So I'll just pause this video here. So as you can see here, this is how it created. It took around 10 minutes to create this, but although I really liked it because you can see this is a story section, this is a search section, right? This is a home, this is a chat, but this is only the home page, right? If somebody is a coder and if they are watching this video, this is really useful because I'm not a coder, but anyway, I can just at least have some of the basic knowledge that how the UI and UX looks, right? So this is the, okay, this is a theme select, I think so. Now, if I just go to the toolbar here, I can ask them what's a code file and I can download the code file and I can do the changes according to me, right? And that's really interesting because it reduced the, I will not say 50% or 60%, at least it reduced the, scratch part where, 10-20% of the coding journey. I think so. Coder can tell me a lot better, so they can comment in the comment box and let us know that whether this is useful or not. And if you're a coder, then of course you should try this, and because I think it's free, and obviously you can try this and let us know in the comment box whether it worked out for you or for not. And it's really crazy that how AI have come for this. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.